last we stood here, we were going on the land for the Christmas lights. That video is right here. So you can see the land right now. Christmas light overlay. Super cool if you haven't seen it. But Soarin's coming up. And then got another ride coming for you right behind it. Let's get over there.
Crazy thing, for some reason they let us go through the fast pass entrance, so maybe it's quicker today, but we have a 25-minute wait, they say. I think it's probably going to be a little quicker than that. One of the funny thing is, when you get online for Soaring, you walk all the way down, and for some reason you always just kind of end up waiting for a little bit. So we've been waiting for about 5 minutes or so. So we're still under the wait time, and we're actually moving now. See, I spoke too soon. So here we go. We are just breezing through the queue. So it's supposed to be like you're walking through an airport. Kind of smells like one too. And when you get on the ride, you smell the smells of what you're seeing. So it's pretty cool. Two?
We're down to 8.
Thank you.
Of course.
So we're right down to 8.
Soarin. My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and, of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carrying on, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice one.
All right, players, we're holding out here momentarily. I'll be right back out to grab you. Physical distancing at all times, and please make sure you move all the way down to the ends of our rows. My row 3 is going to follow me in, followed by 2, followed by 1. Row 3, right this way. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, we're in the prime seat.
You guys go inside the basket. My row 2, right this way. All the way down to the far grouping of 3. The far grouping of 3.
Okay. I'll sit on the end though.
Conducting our final systems check. Please stow all carry-on items in the under-seat
There we go.
compartment. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened
Buddy
during
says
your
so.
flight and watch your children. Bienvenidos.
Oh, here we go.
Soaring to town. We are ready for takeoff. seatbelt, just push.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.